Today we have a very common idea. So we have a, what is this? I think is catapult. Yes. I guessed. 1, 2, 3 and start. Welcome back. So today we have a very simple idea. We have a catapult, and this is a very simple idea that how work a catapult. So basically we have two springs to store potential energy, and then when we release this trigger system, the potential energy transform into kinetic energy. So it's a very simple idea, and we have a electronics releasing system. This is basically servo operated. So let's see. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like it, so please share this video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and then press all for my all new notification. So thank you. Jai Hind. Bharat Mata Ki Jai.